Enis cooks! Let's make Angel Delight! First we're gonna make some Angel Delight. Some milk. A bowl. A glass for measuring. And a whiskey whisk. Let's get started. Pour 300 ml of milk in the glass. Get in. Try not to spill it. Clunk, clunk, clunk. And then add the Angel D. We had to mix it up as we pour it in. All done, son.
Huh?
Here we elegantly get the whisk and stir in the circular motion. Round and around and around. Now we have to wait 5 minutes. Tick tock tock tock. Shake a leg. A few moments later. Woohoo! We're nearly there. Mix it up, mix it up. Now it's time to try before we buy. Yeah, baby. That is yummy. Just one more bite. 10 out of 10. And another cheeky one. Jobs are good. Yummy,